Alright, what's going on, you guys? Sergi here, back with another quick little video. I'm really excited to unbox this, so I'm sure as you guys can tell from the title of the video, I did get some coilovers for my WRX already. I feel like I'm moving really fast with WRX, but I'm just so excited to, there's so much things you can do with this car, and I'm just really excited to get it started and get it looking really nice. So I put in my order for these coilovers about 3 weeks ago, so it's about a 3 to 4 week process of them building them. Fortunato does hand build every coilover to spec, so I went with a 10K front and rear spring rate. Nothing too crazy, nothing too stiff or anything like that. And yeah, we're just going to be unboxing these coilovers right now. I'm really excited. Just got back from vacation to this package at my front door, so I'm excited about that. And I'm not going to be doing an install or anything like that. There's plenty of videos of installs online already, but I will be doing a review hopefully in the next week or so once these are installed. And I also have some really nice wheels coming in for the WRX too, so look out for that. They're actually dream wheels. They're the wheels I've always wanted, and I can't believe I got them. But yeah, let's get this unboxing going and let's see what these coilovers look like. I've heard nothing but amazing things about Fortunato. Like I said, all hand built, up to spec to what you would desire. I'll put a link in the description below. And yeah, let's do it. So Fortunato here, we got a nice box, custom made according to the specifications of an individual, like I said. So I'll take that here. Quality inspection, so I guess this is the person that inspected the coilovers. Final quality inspection, so they have 2 people inspect them after they're built. They come with a serial number, spring rates, I guess instructions. Here are the wrenches, sticker. Take a look at that after. Finally got that tape cut up. Oh, here we go. Alright, so the packages are really nice in this bubble wrap. I'm not sure which ones are the fronts or rear. I think this might be the rear. But yeah, I literally just want to pull one out and see what it looks like. So, give me a minute while I undo this, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. So these are going to be the rears, I think. Yeah, going to be the rear. It looks so good. So there's where you adjust the dampening. God, I love this green color too. I'm not even a fan of green, but this looks so good. Alright, let's pull up a front one. I believe this one right here is going to be a front. Alright, here's the front strut. So this is what the front is going to look like. And the front is going to come with camber plates. So here are the camber plates, so you can adjust the camber in the front. And the dampening adjustability. God, this looks really good. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get these on. See how they ride. I have a couple of friends that have these. And they told me that they ride amazing, so I'm really excited, especially with the 10K spring rate. That might sound a little stiff, so I'm a little eager to see if it's going to be stiff or a nice smooth ride. Fortunato right there. That's about it, you guys. These are my new Fortunato 500 series coilovers for my 2018 WRX. Stay tuned. Review will be soon, and wheels coming soon as well, so stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, remember to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.